shit. Hell. Damn. It looks like about marble size, maybe. See, I'm purely using this one to film the lightning. This is good weather to listen to Pink Floyd. We should later. Yeah, the hell seems pretty continuous now. Is it raining where you're at? It probably hasn't reached there yet then, because it will. It was definitely a mean son of a bitch. Shit, I don't even think we get them this bad in the springtime. Ah, that was loud. Awesome. I'll let you go. Alright. Bye. As you can... Yeah, there's some hailstones on the floor, ground. Fairly continuous rainfall now. My feet are soaked. As you can see, it's like coming down on the side. Try to get a ground view of the... Oh, my feet are... shoes totally soaked. I'm gonna have to change pants pretty soon too. There's another flash of lightning. For some odd reason, this reminds me of Apocalypse Now. Ow! A hailstone hit my foot. Ow. Oh crap! I can't believe I missed that. It was a cloud to ground lightning with the preceding thunder.